To trade meme coins in 2025, you will need a suitable platform, such as Axiom Pro or Axiom Trade. Once you have an account, which can be set up via a link in the description or pinned comment, and a 10% discount on trading fees can be obtained by using a specific link, you can begin trading. Upon logging in to Axiom, navigate to the Polls or Discover section to select a meme coin to trade. Be cautious when choosing a coin, as the vast majority may be scams to find a coin. Filters can be used, which allow you to sort through different metrics, such as audits, socials, new pairs, and finance. To start trading, deposit Solana into your wallet by copying the deposit address and sending Solana from an exchange or another wallet. Once the Solana is deposited, find a meme coin and click the Buy or Sell button. You can buy at market limit or use the advanced feature, setting the amount you want to buy and adjusting presets for slippage, priority fees, and bribe fees as needed. After buying, you can sell the meme coins using the market limit or advanced feature, placing orders as desired. This process allows you to trade meme coins in 2025. But it is essential to exercise caution and carefully select the coins you trade.